going to be sharing with you some yoga today for tight necks and shoulders. I am on my new Logitech camera, which I'm still testing out. I had some teething errors. I'm just going to pop this main light off because when I seem to have it on, there seems to be lines through the page. So I hope you can see me still okay. If you are watching, let me know whether you can hear me okay. Oh, I've just done a weights thing, so I'll pop those weights inside. We won't be using those today. So we're going to be doing some yoga for the neck and shoulders. So many people at the moment are saying how tight their necks are. So if that's you, do watch this video and I hope that you enjoy it. It's really important to take it at your own pace, listen to your body, don't do anything that causes you pain. It should feel like a nice stretch, and if it doesn't, ease off, come back into it, or just skip it out altogether. So for those that don't know me, my name's Sandia, and I predominantly support individuals to reduce their lower back pain so they can get back to the things that they used to do. They can stop worrying about getting older, getting stiff as they get older, worrying about what the future has in store for those. They can take control of their body again. My computer seems to be overheating a bit. I'm wondering if you can hear that humming sound. I'm hoping not. So let's get going. So yoga for necks and shoulders. So let's get a lovely position to start off with. You can either have the feet hip distance apart or the feet together. If you're new, I would have your feet hip distance apart. Roll through the shoulders, lift and lengthen through the crown of the head, draw the stomach in. Lift your toes, spread them wide and then place them back down one at a time. Rise the heels and then lower. Lift the heels and lower. Reach your arm out to the side and over the head as you extend your right arm down and release. Opposite arm, inhale as you reach up, stretch over. And exhale as you release. Inhale, reach up, stretching over. Exhale, release, and once more, inhale, reach. And exhale as you lower. Taking the gaze to the right, back to centre, and the gaze to the left. And back to centre, gaze to the right, and to the left. Good, and release, and turning into a side view so you can see what I'm doing. Walking your hands down your legs, bending your knees, and allowing the head to just let go here. So you might be a little higher up, trying to keep the back nice and straight, or you might be lower down. Breathe in. If you are lower down, interlace your fingers, and you can bend your knees so you can allow yourself to be a little bit lower here. Interlace your fingers and just allowing the weight of the hands to be on the back of the head. We're not pressing, just lightly there, the stomach's drawn in. And releasing the hands to the floor. Bend your knees deeply and then taking one foot back and the other. Coming down onto all fours, spreading the hands wide. Taking the gaze to the right, back to centre, and the gaze to the left. And back to centre. So you're looking towards your toes or to your hip and the other way. And then bring your right hand to the centre of the mat, reaching the arm forward and then dropping the buttocks down towards the heels, stretching out through the shoulders. Inhale as you rise back up. Let's flow with the breath. Exhale as you lower. And inhale as you rise. Exhale as you lower. And inhale as you rise. Switching arms. Right hand comes directly underneath the right shoulder. Left hand forward. Centre of the mat and forward. Sinking down. Look for a stretch throughout the shoulder area. And rise back up. Sinking down. And rising back up. Stomach's drawn in. Supporting through the back. And once more, lowering down and rising back up, bringing the hand back to where we began. Spread the hands wide, tuck the toes, lift the knees off the floor and begin to lift your tailbone up to the sky. Bend the knees and allow the head to let go. So releasing out any tension in the neck here. Press down through the hands, draw the shoulders up toward the ears. Now if you've been doing yoga, you might be able to straighten through the legs and drop the heels, but most people are usually in this position. We're trying to lengthen out through the back. And then dropping the knees down toward the floor, buttocks towards the heels, and dropping the forehead toward the floor. If you can't reach, cross over the arms, and rest the forehead on the backs of the arms. Take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Rising up the head, walking the hands toward the knees, and then coming up, so 1 foot forward, and the other one joins it. Allowing the ear to drop toward the shoulder again. Maybe reaching the left arm, reach out through the fingertips. And rise back up, and the other ear toward the shoulder, reaching away. And rising back up, chin in towards the chest. And if neck allows, gaze up slightly, only if that feels okay. If that felt okay, interlace the fingers. Or even if it didn't, you might interlace the fingers and take the hands to the back of the head, and that might support you to lift the head up. If it's uncomfortable at all on the neck, just leave it out. Chin in towards the chest, elbows towards each other. So you might just come with the elbows open, or you might lift the chin and open the elbows. And then chin in towards the chest. And once more, inhale, open. And exhale. Inhale as you open. Reach your arms up. And exhale, release. Interlace your fingers behind you. Inhale, reach away. And exhale as you lower. So I hope you enjoyed that short sequence. Let me know how you got on, particularly if you're beginners. If you're watching on replay, let me know. And if you're interested in my free 5-day Pilates and relaxation for people with back issues, we have one running on the 17th of August. I've had many people say they can't do that because of a variety of reasons. They won't be able to make the time. But the video will be on there from early in the morning so you can fit it in with your day. It's a 15-minute video each day for 5 days, so you'll be able to watch it at a time that suits you. So if you've been looking to reduce your back pain and you want some support with that, so you can feel a little bit more mobile and have some tools and key exercises to help strengthen the core muscles, help to support your back, and then that's a challenge for you. So that's happening on the 17th of August. You can visit yogacajun.com/free and see all the details there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.